Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be basically breaking down my trade alert signal, my account, how I basically turned $1,000 into $2,000. That's over 100% return in one day just trading gold. So as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below on what you think, and if you guys are interested in joining our 100% free VIP Gold Signals Telegram group, the link for that is below this YouTube video. We don't charge for it. It is 100% free. You just click the link and then boop, it basically pings you right into the Telegram group. So obviously, if you guys are joining, all we ask is that you use the same broker as us. The broker is below this video as well. They actually offer a 100% matching deposit bonus. So again, if you use my link, you deposit 100, they give you 100. You deposit 1,000, they give you 1,000. You could actually use a credit card, debit card to basically make your deposit. It is that simple. It is that easy. I've personally used other brokers. By far, Gates is the best broker. I actually have a video showing a live $50,000 withdrawal. So if you're hesitant on basically using these brokers, I have proof of a withdrawal, and very soon I'll maybe doing a $100,000 withdrawal once we grow this account from $1,000 to $100,000. And then obviously the game plan is keep pushing and then grow it to possibly $1 million. The best part about all of this is that the signal alert for this trade was sent out today. So let's go back here first, and you see that this account basically started with $1,000. You'll see the balance right there, deposited $1,000, and then you'll see that the current balance is $21,30.89. If you go to close positions, you will basically see that I took two trades on this today. The very first trade was for $20, and the second trade was for basically $1,128, both of which were sell trades that I took. Selling means I'm making money as it's basically working her way down. So looking at the chart here, we'll use the 5-minute chart for example. We were basically looking obviously at this $5,000 reject here. Market open, she took off running, and then we were watching for the sell signal backside move here. And you guys will see right here, we basically sent it out. So we sent it out as well as the areas of take profits. You can see right here at 9:45 a.m. boom, selling at 4997.85. Now, if you pay attention, I'm following my cursor all the way down to this area right here. My entry price for my very last trade on the day was 4997.55. So you can see that everything lines up, everything matches, okay? The signals that I'm basically putting out here, followed by what I'm actually taking, because a lot of people will just put sell signals out there all day long and they never even take these trades, or there's people that take trades and they never even send the signal, right? But here you can see that everything lines up. Sending the signal, taking the trade, took the trade, he sent the signal. Starting to make sense now? Again, it's 100% free. So again, to join this group, link is below this video. All we ask is that you use the same broker as us. Please stay away from demo accounts and prop firms. Prop firms being number one. You basically want to avoid prop firms like the plague. Stay away from prop firms. I'm going to be making more videos and content basically talking about and exposing these prop firms because they are very dangerous, and they prey on weak individuals. They basically make money off of you losing. Let's think about that for a second, right? Prop firms are built and they succeed off of people losing money day in and day out, and then they run sales every day, all day for basically 90% off, basically pull you in and get you to buy that funded prop firm account, again, only for you to basically lose. That is why I strongly recommend using your own capital. And if all you have is $100, that's all you have. If you have $1,000, great. If you have $100,000, $10,000, great. If you don't have the money, best thing to do, right, is study, learn, ask questions, which is why I also have a free Discord trading group. That link is below this video as well. We don't ask you for your credit card for that either. So nonetheless, sent the signal out selling at 4997.85. All right, let's go back to the chart here. Again, we were basically looking at that $5,000 reject, and then basically look for this backside sell-off fade here. The very first trade we did take was, again, at one point, this trade was actually $200 in profit, but I adjusted my stop loss to basically get out for profit, even if it were to retrace. And then I got in the second time. So this account, again, we started with $1,000. That 2130, over 100% return on investment with this trade. I am trading this very aggressive, very aggressive. But you have to understand something, right? Trading itself sometimes you have to be aggressive. You have to be aggressive to basically grow your account, because it can take you forever. So at the end of the day, with trading, you have full control over everything. Some people might argue saying that this type of trading I'm doing, I am gambling. Well, guess what? Welcome to 2026, where everything's a gamble, right? You go to your local comic book store, you buy a bunch of Pokemon cards, Pikachu. Well, there's no guarantee that those are going to go up in value, right? You're buying these cards, whatever. You could spend $400 or $500, and then all of a sudden, boom, the market drops. All of a sudden, those cards are worth nothing. They're just as good as basically to burn. So, you know, with trading, these trades I take, right? We'll use this first trade for example. I have full control over this whole situation, right? I enter the trade based on many factors, right? The trade goes in my direction. Okay, great. I'm up $200. Now I'm adjusting that stop loss. No matter what, I get out of the trade for some sort of small profit or potentially break even. And you guys can see that's exactly what happened here. So again, trading is not about being right. It's about being rich. You don't need to be smart to do this. You have to be disciplined to do this. Anybody can come and push buttons, right? That's not hard. The hard part is the mindset, the mental part, being disciplined, following your rules, right? This isn't one of those things where you kind of come in and just kind of piggyback and copy off of somebody. So if you're watching me, right, if you're part of the Telegram group, the best thing to do is to learn from this, not piggyback, right? I'm running to the finish line. The worst thing you could do is try and jump on my back. You're just gonna fall off, you're gonna get hurt, and you're gonna work out. You can try to do that, and if you succeed, great, fantastic. But otherwise, the best thing to do is to learn this. You guys have to understand, I have a lot of years in this game. My brother has even more than me. My uncles even more than us, right? So everybody has a mentor. You have to learn from somebody. You've got to constantly ask questions, learn, and basically engage, right? You can't just sit there on the sidelines trying to absorb everything. So it doesn't really work that way. So that's it. You know, I'm not going to make these videos every single day. I'll make them when they count. Yeah, so the count's at $2,000. You know, I will try to trade this account every single day. You guys have to understand, I'm getting older now. A lot of gray hairs are coming through, believe it or not. So, you know, I try and do what I can with my time. So I will make these videos when they count. Obviously, you know, I'll make one, you know, if we cross 5,000, I'll make one at 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. I don't want to really do one every single day. I really put more educational videos out there versus, you know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5. We don't really need all that. So any questions, you know, comment below this video. Give this video a thumbs up. All I ask is that you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm putting a lot of free stuff out there for you guys. So, you know, just subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below. Use the same broker as me. If you guys use my link, the link, right, when you guys use the link, the same broker as me, it really helps support the channel, right? It really helps support the channel, gets more engagement. Obviously, it makes me want to put more and more signals out there for you guys, more winning trades, more setups. So, you know, that's basically all I ask. Thank you for the support. I'll catch all you dudes in the next one.